Good morning guys, today we're going to be making Christmas gift boxes just like this one. There's one up on the screen now for you. You're going to start off needing a 21 by 21 centimeter square piece of paper, which is an A4 piece of paper folded down to the corners and then trimming off the rest. So let's jump straight into it. What we want to do is our first fold, which is to fold it in half on its triangular axes. Open it up again and fold it again on the opposite triangular axes. And then open it up again. So you've got like a star pattern in the middle. So now what we want to do is we want to fold each corner into the middle point. Now what we want to do is we want to fold the square in thirds. So it folds once, twice, 3 times. So we've got 1, 2, 3 separate folds. And the way to do this is to just roughly guesstimate without putting too much pressure down. And just score that down and do the same there, score that down, and then we want to open it up and do the exact same again in the opposite sides. So the straight one's now this way across, this one across. The same principle, just roughly line it up. Just gently fold it down. Give them nice sharp edges. Yep, fantastic. And then open it up again. The next step is to fold every corner like so, and do the same. Do the same again. And last one. Next step is to open it out into its square shape and then pull out the ends and then fold up the bottom piece to the midpoint. And then do the same with the top. Give it a nice sharp crease. So from here, what we want to do, this is a little bit tricky, so I'll go as slow as I can. You want to bring this corner over and fold the paper that way and just score it down, and do the same with this one. Bring this paper over and fold that one down, so that when you look at it, you've got this here which then folds over the top. And then you want to do the same on this side. So bring this piece in, and then bring just like so. One completed box. So now what we need to do is repeat the exact same process that we've just done to make this box with a slightly smaller square piece of paper. So A4 paper folded to get this square was 21 centimeters square. So we want to go slightly smaller so that it fits inside this box. So we're going to go for a 20 centimeter square. So that's what you want to get here. I've gone for a different color. So we want to follow the same processes. Okay, so the next step is to put the ribbon on the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut two strips of paper which are 1.5 centimeters that way by 15 centimeters that way. So once we've got our strips, just run a bead of glue like so. Just pick it up. Find roughly the center to start with. That wasn't a bad guess. Like so. And we do the same with the second strip. And this time we are using two more strips which are the same width, 1.5 centimeters this way and 10 centimeters this way. just going to fold them like so, so they make like a little bow. And just glue that down, and there we have our completed box. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please leave any comments in the comment section if there's anything you'd like me to make and show you how to make. In the meantime, I'll see you on the next one.
It's